Hello there. I am Azizul Hakim. I am a professional digital marketer and SEO expert. Facebook business page is needed for any business. If you want to grow your business, brand and product through Facebook Shop and get lots of visitors and a targeted audience. Facebook business page is very important for you. I will create, set up and optimize for your Facebook business page that helps to grow your business, service, products. My service. 1. Create business page and fan page. 2. Add profile photo. 3. Design cover photo. 4. Call to action button. 5. Auto message response. 6. Add email, phone number, WhatsApp, website. 7. Set up map location. 8. Add business details. 9. Appointment setup. 10. Use templated to your niche. 11. Full page SEO optimize page. Exclusively on Fiverr. Thanks for watching. Order now.